Hello again, this is Ivan. I am a computer engineering student from PUP iTech. I'm from BC Pet G1, so this is my midterms. A reflection of the three videos, which is the GPU computing and how GPU works, NVIDIA drive versus Tesla full self-driving, and about metaverse. So first of all, let's summarize all. Let's start with the GPU. So first of all, starting with an understanding of why is it essential to grasp how the GPUs work. To keep it simple, the evolution of GPUs work has focused on adding more cores each stage, aligning with the Moore's law. However, GPUs have now evolved beyond the traditional graphical application to become cornerstone of accelerated computing. This evolution is driven by a growing need for a vast computational power, especially in areas like gaming, artificial intelligence, and deep learning, where immense calculation are required. GPU to accelerated computing has become the standard for handling the immense demands of AI in deep learning. Traditionally, CPUs with their limited cores struggle to manage the complexity of a modern application, while a GPU with their parallel architecture are perfectly suited for a task like image recognition, natural language processing, and scientific simulation. These tasks involve trillions of matrix operations, and GPU excels at performing such calculations simultaneously. So, they make the new NVIDIA Volt architecture represent a monumental leap forward into a GPU evolution. With over 5,000 cores, including specialized tensor cores designed for matrix operation, Volta GPU deliver immense performance of up to 100 teraflops for AI tasks 4 minutes faster than the older architectures like Pascal. Innovation like TensorRT further enhanced these GPUs by optimizing machine learning code through features like reduced precision, layer fusion, and multi-stream execution. This optimization boosts performance by up to 40 times in tasks like image recognition, significantly reduces latency for applications like a virtual assistant. In addition, both the GPUs features high bandwidth memory to minimize latency and utilize advancement in GPU communication through involving standards like PCIe. This technology and enable not just AI breakthroughs but also push the boundaries in gaming, scientific research, and real-time simulation. The both architectures marks a new era of exponential performance growth, solidifying deeply accelerated computer as a backbone of modern technological progress. So, for another video, this is the summarization. The NVIDIA drives versus Tesla full self-drive. So, by the year 2024, most new electric vehicles are expected to include significant autonomous capabilities driven by the advancement in AI and machine learning and mapping the technologies. NVIDIA and Tesla are leading efforts to create full-stack autonomous vehicle systems that combine with the real-world and simulation-based testing. Autonomous vehicles like the robot rely on the three pillars of machine learning: training models AI, simulation through tools like NVIDIA, drive and training AI models, simulation through tools like NVIDIA DriveSim. The real-time robotic pipeline for making decision-making. These vehicles run simulations while the control events operate in real life, enhancing the system precision and safety. The development process involves creating an AI model on the human's brain neural network structure, enabling autonomous making decisions using data from cameras, radars, ultrasonics, and LiDAR sensors. Networks can process real-time inputs to create 3D vector space in driving environment. Mapping plays a critical role, combining a deep mapping and survey mapping to create high-precision 3D maps, which acts like collective memory for the fleet. These maps are continually updated through both dedicated mapping tests and crowdsourced data. Platforms like NVIDIA Hyper 8 integrated these technologies. Hyperion 8, offering a sensor suite ample computational power and tools for synthetic data generation. This ensures vehicle can drive complex scenarios such as intersection, merging, and roundabouts with predictive capabilities that even surpass human drivers. This system represents the future for unmanned vehicles, bridging biological inspirational with a cutting-edge AI to create safe, intelligent, and more autonomous representation system. For the third big beyond this is the summarization. The metaverse. The metaverse is really becoming one of the most exciting development in technology, creating new ways for people to connect, play, and work in virtual spaces. This has big step forward in gaming, socializing, and work simulation, giving people immersive experience like never before. One of the coolest features in this ability is to create avatars that do just like us, as you can see in the video. Thanks to the advanced technology, these avatars allow us to represent ourselves in a virtual world to explore entirely new looks and identities. The use of digital currencies like bitcoins has made the metaverse even more exciting. This currency is led by people selling own virtual items, making it possible to build an entire economies and even make money in real life from virtual goods, which is this is a digital ownership. So also in fashion too. Also making a big splash in metaverse, making virtual clothing has become more popular trend in a big name brands like Gucci, Balenciaga, and creating digital outfits for avatars. That lets people express their style in a new creative way, whether they're attending virtual events, parties, or even digital fashion show. Virtual fashion is also environmental friendly and it doesn't require materials like a waste in traditional clothing. It's fun to exciting way of people to show off their unique looks while being a part of a growing online community. And for a bit of fun, let's talk about the new meta, sparkling water that can transform into tequila and lemon, an idea that captures the creativity and innovation into Grace works when it's reimagining drinks or creative entire virtual worlds. This advancement show how technology and innovation are shaping our future is exciting spectacular. So for this last part, this is very very amazing for me because they said that they are using some electric in tank to let us taste the tequila or the lemon or anything you want. It is quite amazing because it lets you taste something. For me, that's a advancement because in some evolution of technology, we can smell anything or even taste it. So it makes us na we're really not into we're really in, we're really not into that experience. But when they make this like cup that can let you taste whatever you want, it is amazing that you can even say simulate the taste of it. So in my reflection, after watching the videos, I am amazed at how technology, particularly GPUs and AI in deep learning, has supposed to transform our world. GPU has advanced from powering gaming graphics to enabling us AI in scientific simulation, handling immense computational demands through their parallel architecture. This shift that revolutionized fields like gaming, autonomous vehicles, and robotics where AI makes decisions faster and smarter than human. For example, autonomous vehicles developed by companies like NVIDIA and Tesla use neural networks to process in real time and navigate the complex environment with a remarkable transition. As a computer engineer, student, this advance inspired me to deepen my knowledge and contribute to optimizing these systems like considering the real-world application. Rise of Metaverse further highlights the blending of physical and the digital world, offering a new way of socialized work experience creativity, virtual spaces, virtual spaces, avatars resembling a real-life appearance, and economics powered by digital currencies like bitcoins are reshaping how we interact and connect. Even virtual fashion, up with a major brand, demonstrate the limitless opportunities for innovation in this space. These technologies promise future of greater convenience, creativity, and possibility, but also raise critical and ethical questions about privacy, job displacement, and accessibility. As someone who pursuing computer engineering student, I am motivated not only to contribute to this advance, but also to ensure that they are in development responsibly and inclusively creating more sustainable and equitable future. So For me, these advancements are amazing and a new life, it's like I'm living in a new way of life because this technology is really amazing, far beyond my imagination. It exceeds the limits of our later past technologies. Like it's just a decade and then we rise like that lahat. We can use AI and machine learning. We utilize it to to lessen our daily jobs, to reduce the manual labor of works. Where with the use of that, we are more safe and have more time about our life, which means it will affect us more na kahit hindi natin maisip, maapektuhan tayo because with this advancement and technology, we can have more time, which means we can have more life balance, work-life balance. So as a aspiring computer engineer, I am really amazed and I want to contribute about this future advancements. So this is my reflection video for my midterm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I put the videos down below in the descriptions. Thank you.